Break the ice, mastering informal introductions in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on greetings and introductions. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the exciting topic of introducing others informally. One of the most important aspects of this is how to share relevant information about the person you're introducing. Let's get started. When you introduce someone in an informal setting, it's often helpful to include a bit of information about that person. This could be a shared interest, their job, or a recent accomplishment. Sharing relevant information can kickstart conversations and helps build connections. Before you start sharing information, it's essential to keep these 3 points in mind. 1. Ensure the information is appropriate to share publicly. 2. Consider the interests of the person you're introducing to. Try to find common ground. 3. Be concise and clear. Overloading with details can confuse or overwhelm the listener. Here are some simple phrases you can use. Did you know that person is also a fan of shared interest? Person has just achievement. Isn't that fascinating? You might find it interesting that person also shared hobby. Let's put these phrases into action. Mike, meet Sarah. Did you know that Sarah is also a fan of rock music? This is Linda. She's just finished writing her first novel. Isn't that fascinating? I'd like you to meet David. You might find it interesting that David also enjoys hiking. And there you have it. Now you're equipped to introduce people informally while sharing relevant information about them in a natural and engaging way. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious about the English language.